Minna no Nihongo N4 Lesson 39 Part 2 Vocab. First, Kitanai dirty. Heiga ga kitanai desu kara soji shimasu. The room has gotten dirty, so I will clean it. Second, Ureshi happy. Oki kaisha ni shushoku shite oya ga ureshikatta. My parents were happy that I got employed at a big company. Third, Kanashi sad. Tomodachi to okumade hikoshite kanashi desu. My friend has relocated someplace far and I'm sad. Fourth, Hazukashi embarrassed. Minna no mae de sensei ni shikarete totemo hazukashi katta desu. The teacher yelled at me in front of everyone. It was embarrassing. Fifth, Jishin earthquake. Jishin de biru ga taoreta. Building collapsed because of the earthquake. Sixth, tsunami. Tsunami ni hitobito no ie ga nagasareta. People's homes were washed away by the tsunami. Seventh, typhoon. Typhoon. Taifu de suyoi kaze ga fuite imasu. Strong winds are blowing under the influence of typhoon. Eighth, kaminari. Thunder. Ashita wa yoru sugoku kaminari ga natte kita. It was thundering quite loudly yesterday night. Ninth, kaji. Fire. Tonari no biru ni kaji ga atta. There was a fire in the building next to mine. 10. Hikingu hiking. Yama e hikingu ni ikimashita. We went hiking in a mountain. 11. Omiai arrange marriage interview. Otto to watashi ga omiai de shiri atta. Me and my husband got to know each other through a marriage interview. Grammar point 3. Verb, adjective, noun, plain form plus node. Node indicates cause or reason. Since node inherently possesses the characteristics of indicating consequence, cause and result, and stating a result derived from a cause, it is suitable for soft expressing a reason or justification when asking permission for something. Example first. 日本語がわからないので、英語で話していただけませんか? I don't understand Japanese, so could you please speak in English? Example second. 用事があるので、お先に失礼します。I have got an errand to run, so please excuse me for leaving before you.